If you ever owned a rotary tool and then you had to stop mid-project because you didn't have the right bit, this video just might be for you. Now, I want to be upfront with you. This isn't some premium overhyped set. This is a do-everything starter to intermediate kit. And honestly, that surprised me with how complete it really is. And rotary tools are awesome until you realize that you're missing one tiny attachment. I didn't want to keep on buying separate sanding kits, polishing kits, cutting wheels. So I picked up this set right here, and you can see it actually replaces all of that. The first thing I noticed was the pull-out case design. Everything slides out. Nothing spills and actually stays organized. And that's huge in my book. Everything is organized, tight, and in its place. This kit uses your standard 1/8 inch shanks that come with multiple collets, so it fits any Dremel style or rotary tools without any issues. I don't really like swapping adapter or forcing things, and so this kit just works. Everything works. I'm not going to go through all 618 pieces here for you because that's just lunacy, but here's what matters. You can see right here, you got the sanding bands, multiple grits, the cutting disc right here, thick and thin. You have your thick and thin ones, your polishing wheels, compounds, grinding stones, wire brushes, engraving bits, drill bits, and your specialty attachments. I can really see this being great for 3D printing, glass engraving, shell drilling, anything like that. This kit is going to be perfect at. Let's be absolutely clear here. This is not going to be a professional shop upgrade. If you're a DIYer, hobbyist, or homeowner, or someone who just wants to have one kit that does almost everything, then this is going to be for you. Again, this is perfect for if you're new to rotary tools, or if you want an all-in-one kit instead of buying out pieces separately. Also, if you want the convenience without really just overthinking it. But if you're running like a machine all day, every day, you probably already have your favorite bits and your go-to as well already. For me, the value is not having to think about it. I just grab my rotary toolkit, and when I'm in a project, I'm like, oh, I need the drill. Oh, I need the engraver. Oh, I need the cutter. It's right here handy. With over 600 pieces, the tool I need is probably going to be in here. And the last thing I'll probably say here is that if you're looking for a solid, no-nonsense rotary toolkit, this one's definitely worth taking a look at.